environment is everything around us. It's the air we breathe when we wake up, the water that keeps us alive, the trees that gives us shade, and animals that share the world with us. The environment is like our silent provider. It gives us without asking. Fresh air, food, shelter, and beauty. The truth is, we often forgot about it because it's always just there. It's not just nature, it's our home.
Ano ba to? Bakit sobrang dami namang basura dito? Alam niyo ba, tons of plastic and waste are found in oceans and rivers.
And some of that waste actually comes from our communities.
Uy, ano yan? Bakit ka nagtatapon ng mga basura? Ay, sorry po.
Look around. Minsan hindi natin napapansin that the trash we throw away today can stay in the environment for hundreds of years.
You see, when these plastics ends up in canals and rivers, they might block waterways and cause flooding. So even a small piece of trash can have a big impact on our environment.
But instead of just talking about the problem, we decided to do something about it.
Yes! I knew it! So today, samahan niyo kami as we show a simple way to help our planet become better. Tara!
We started by cleaning a small area near our school. We also practice waste segregation, separating plastic, paper, and biodegradable waste.
Small actions like this can make a big difference if everyone participates.
So, helping the environment doesn't require big action.
It starts with small habits.
So today, we challenge you.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. Because the earth is our home. Let's protect it together!